In this video, we're going to show you how to properly remove cords from an Ascom Patient Station. Removing SafeConnect cords properly is important to avoid causing cord faults. Cord fault will create a false alarm that will go to a nurse. Here's how to make sure you're removing cords correctly. First, grasp the Safety Connect plug on both sides and then pull it from the socket. Do not twist the plug or pull the cable to disconnect the plug. Press the cancel button within 2 seconds. You'll know which one it is by its LED flashing. This makes sure no alert is sent to nursing staff. To reconnect, simply place the Safety Connect back. The magnetic connection will pull the cord to the patient station, and a green LED will display when connection is reestablished. If you do not reconnect the cord to the original port, you will need to reset the patient station. This is done by holding the cancel button for at least 5 seconds. All LEDs will flash to show reset in progress. And that's how you correctly remove the Safety Connect plug from an Ascom Patient Station.